What if you could turn a single image into a full story, animated, voiced, and ready to post without juggling 5 different tools? In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to use Hailou AI to create a complete story, from pictures to animation to audio, all in one platform. But before I break down the steps, let me show you what's possible.
I didn't hear the truth from your mouth. I saw it glow in the dark, reflected back at me. Your silence louder than any confession. You sat across from me and laughed, voice warm, as if nothing had already been broken. That's when I learned betrayal doesn't always shout. Sometimes it smiles. I went back through our memories, looking for the moment love changed its name. Every excuse echoed differently now. Every pause finally made sense.
If you are a content creator, storyteller, or business owner who feels overwhelmed creating content, this tool might change how you work. Let me walk you through exactly how I made this.
So guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come to our ChatGPT, which is where we're going to get our story from. So when you're on ChatGPT, all you need to do, depending on the kind of story you want to create, you can basically ask it to create any kind of story for you. So I'm going to just tell it to, let me just make it very simple. Create a short story, not more than 5 cents, about heartbreak and betrayal. Yeah, something like this. And then let's see what it would give us. So as you can see, it's giving us each scene. So the next thing we're going to tell it to do to help us with prompts to generate images reflecting each scene. So you're just going to tell it to create detailed prompts I can use to generate images for each scene. So this is the second step, and then we're going to see what it would give us. So you can see it's giving us each scene. So you can use this idea for basically anything, be it you want to do adverts, you want to do stories, you want to do AI movies, you can use this for any idea of yours at all. So now that we have all our prompts, the next thing we're going to tell it is to give us our narration that we're going to use as the voiceover when we want to tell the story. So we're just going to tell it to create a narration for this story to be added as a voiceover. So something like this, and then we'll click on enter. Okay, so you can see it's giving us what we need. So now that we have our prompts for the images, the next thing we want to do is to actually generate the images for each scene, which is where our tool comes into play. Guys, this is Hailou AI. Hailou AI is a video and image generating platform. So, and on this platform also, you now have Nano Banana. So basically, you can do everything of yours you want here on Hailou AI. You can generate your images here, and then you can also turn them into animated videos, which makes the work much more easier. So instead of going to another tool to generate your images, another tool to do your video, you can do everything combined on this same platform, which is what we're going to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to ChatGPT, and then we're going to copy our first prompt. So now that we've copied our first prompt, we're going to go back to Hailou AI, and then we're going to place it here. So you can see this is under Nano Banana Pro. If you want access to this particular platform, kindly go to my description and click the link there. So when you log in with your email free, and then you come to this left-hand side, you click on image. When you click on image, it's going to open up here, basically. And as you can see, you have option of adding up to 40 reference images if you already have images or like an idea you want to use. And then down here, you can see these are the different image versions. You can see they even have the ChatGPT version. But the one I am loving right now is Nano Banana Pro because it gives such realistic images. And then over here to the right hand side, you can pick the kind of aspect ratio you want. So I'm going to be using 16:9, which is suitable for YouTube. And over here, I'm going to be using 2K, which I feel is not too low and is not too high. So this is good. And as you can see over here, you can raise the number of quantity of the images that it's going to create. Then you can pick from options. Usually I do like 2 to 3. So depending on what you're comfortable with. And then after that, we're just going to click on generate, and then it's going to generate. So you can see if you're looking at this top right hand corner over here, you can see it's generating. So while it's generating, we can go over and click on our second prompt, and then we can generate it as well. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay. And then we're just going to come back to Hailou, and I'm just going to copy this, and then I'll paste the second one here. So let's wait for this to finish. There. Let's prompt this. So you can see I can generate simultaneously. Depending on what version you're using, you can actually generate up to 5 depending on what particular version you are on. I am currently on the standard, so this is what I can do. So let's see what it gave us, guys. Guys, just take a look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So you can go ahead and then specify the kind of race you want the woman to be, wherever you want her to be. So you can see the second prompt that we did. Just take a look at it. It looks so realistic, and that is what I love about this. So I'm just going to go ahead and create the images for the other scenes, and then I'll show you how we can turn them into video. So guys, as you can see, all my images are ready. So the next thing we're now going to do is we're going to turn them into animation. So I'm just going to come over here, and then so I can see all my images at a go. Okay. So let's go back to the top, or let's start from the beginning. So this is the beginning. So let's just click on it. And after you click on it, you click on video. This use as video. You click on use as video. So you can see automatically it brought us into the video. But if you just want to go there directly, you already have your image. Just come to this left hand side when you log in, and then click on video, and then it would appear here. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we are copying the prompts for this first image, so we can have like the exact motion and everything she was trying to do. So I'm back on ChatGPT, and I'll just copy the prompts, and then I'll go back to Hailou AI, and then I'll paste my prompt here. So now that this one is prompted here, this particular part is where you're going to click on the version that you want to use. The current version that I love so much is this Hailou 2.3. It is so good, it is so efficient, which is what I want to show you guys. So just click on it. You can start to use the Hailou Fast or the normal Hailou 2.3. So just click on it. After you click on it, you can set the number of seconds you want to use depending on what version you are on. So I'll just do this at 1080p, and then we're going to generate. So we're going to do this for each and every of our images. We're going to turn them into videos. So let's just wait and see what this particular one will give us, and then we can proceed to do the same for our other images. Guys, just take a look at this. This is amazing. This is so good. It looks so realistic. So I'm just going to go ahead and then animate all the other images. And then I'm going to show you how to create our audio all under this one platform. So guys, if you're into stories, you're into video creation, even if it's children's stories, you can do everything on Hailou AI. It has everything you need instead of using different platforms. So I'm just going to go ahead and animate all the other images. And then when we come back, we are going to create the audio narration that we're going to use as voiceover for the video. And then finally, I'll show you how to add everything together on CapCut. So guys, all our videos are ready, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and download them. If you want to download them, just come to your right hand side and then you can download each and every one of the videos that you generated. So now that we've downloaded all our videos, the next thing we're going to do is to go to the audio part. So you're just going to come over to this left hand side and then click on audio, and then it's going to open the mini max audio. If you want to access this, I also have the link in the description. This is amazing, guys. It is so good, and the voice are also so realistic. Plus, you can also use most of what it offers for free without having to upgrade. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT and copy our audio. So we're just going to copy the voiceover narration. Okay. So let me just copy the exact thing that we need, not over. Okay, so I think I got everything. Okay, I missed a bit more. Yeah, we're going to come back and copy it. Okay, and then we're going to head back to our Minimax audio. So now when you're here, you can see you have text to speech, you have music creation. I've tried this, guys. It's so nice. And the next thing we need to do basically is to pick a voice. So when you click come here to this rhythm girl, you're going to see a lot of different voices. So you just have to listen to each one and then pick the one you feel you can use. So I like this graceful lady, so I'm just going to pick her instead. And then I'm going to paste our prompt. So then I'm going to copy the last line that we missed earlier. Okay. So now that we have this completely, let me just paste it here. Everything is complete, and then we're going to click on generate. So very easy, very straightforward. So we're just going to wait for this to generate, and then we're going to add everything on CapCut. So guys, it's finished generating. Just listen to this.
I didn't hear the truth from your mouth. I saw it glow in the dark, reflected back at me. Your silence louder.
This is so good, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this here. You can see on your right hand side, the lower right hand side, you can see download. So I'll just click on this and download. So now that I have everything I need downloaded, we're going to go to CapCut to finalize everything. So this is CapCut. It's an app. You can download it on your phone. You can have it on your laptop as well, or on your iPad. So now that we are here, we're just going to click on create new project, and then let's wait for it to load up. Okay, so now that it's opened, we're going to click on import, and then we're going to import all of our resources. That is the videos, and then we're going to add also our audio. So we're just going to add it up. Okay, so you can see everything is here. All the videos that we generated are here. So basically, you're just going to add these videos one after the other according to the scenes. So this is our first scene. We're going to add it. Okay, so it added everything. So let me undo this so I can add it one by one. So guys, basically you're going to add each scene one by one. So just click on the first scene, which is this one, and then I'll click on this plus button, or you can simply drag it and drop on here. If you're using a full version, it's much more easier because you're just going to pick it up from your gallery. So I'm just going to add all of them, and then we're just going to go ahead and add our audio as well. Okay, so I think this is the second one. Then we're going to add our third. Okay, I think this is the third one. So guys, everything has been added, as you can see. So now once you have all your scenes added, you're going to come back to the beginning and then you're going to add in your audio. So yeah, now we can see the audio is added, but at the same time, we can see that the audio supersedes our video. So what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate. You listen to the audio and then you duplicate based on where each story is. So I'm just going to duplicate this and then add it on here again. Okay. Let's just basically add this one again. So you're just going to do it like that, because it's very, very important that the video corresponds with the audio. So you're going to listen to the audio and then make sure you're duplicating the video to suit each part. Now, once you're done and that is it, you're just going to come to your top right hand corner and then click on export. If you're using your phone, you're going to find it on your top right hand corner as well. You click on export and then you save it and there you have it. Feel free to add background music and different things. If I want to add a background music, I can just come to audio, search for a sound I like, and then add it on. So that's basically there is to it. And then the final touch is your thumbnail. We're going to go back to ChatGPT and then get a prompt that we can use for our thumbnail. So guys, the only thing left is to get our thumbnail, and we can get this using ChatGPT. So all we have to do is come to ChatGPT and then tell it to create a prompt I can use to create an image for the thumbnail. Include a catchy title for the story. So something like this, very, very nice and easy. Always go easy with ChatGPT. Sometimes when we overcomplicate things, that's when it starts giving us like the wrong thing. So now that we have this, I'm just going to come over here and then I'll just copy the thumbnail, and then we're going to go back over to Hailou AI. When we're back to Hailou AI, we're going to go back to our image, which is on our left hand side, and then we're going to place our prompt, and then we're going to generate this. Always make sure it's on 16:9, which is the suitable size for your prompt. So once it's finished, I'm going to show you. Guys, just take a look at this. This is beautiful. So everything is ready. YouTube style ready. So guys, basically you have everything you need to create your first video and post on YouTube or TikTok or whatever platform you prefer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be there to respond to you. See you on my next video. Bye.